I had a wonderful spa experience. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It has been quite a morning. I have the day off because one of my appointments canceled for first thing this morning, and they canceled in the allotted amount of time. And therefore, I needed to be in the salon at 10:30 because I had 2 appointments today. And then that person texted me to say that I am on the way to the hospital to check on my mom, who has been transported because of breathing issues. And I will let you know it by 9:30 if I'll be able to make it. Well, that appointment was canceled and really rescheduled for next week. So it's okay. I also got a call this morning from my brother who said that he was being transported to the hospital with chest pains. So I've done a prayer for him and I've alerted the family, you see, because I am the go-to person in my family. But I don't have to run out and take care of that right now because my big brother, who lives not too far from the hospital, is already there and will update us on how things are going. Yeah, and so this is my getting upset, worried, or feeling overwhelmed will not help the situation. And so I'm not going to give in to any of those. But last night I braided and banded my hair, and I did use the purple shampoo, and I did add more peppermint oil to the shampoo. And as a result, I had a wonderful spa experience. There was aromatherapy in the shower, tingling on my scalp, and I made sure that it got into my braids. It was a very good experience, and I needed that after my morning of news. I want to tell you, thank you, subscribers. Not that I want to tell you. Thank you, subscribers, for all that you do to support me. I have received some messages saying that you would like to have a greeting card from me. And all you have to do is just inbox me on Instagram and let me know whether you want me to mail it or email it, because it's digital as well, and I can send you a greeting card from the Goodwins. I am going to take these bands off. I have to go out this morning because I have to pick up my greeting cards from Walmart. Hopefully it is printed correctly and all I have to do is pick it up. I designed it myself, and I have 2 kinds. One is for the digital and the other is I'm sending it out in snail mail. So today I'll start sending out my greeting cards in snail mail, and also I will be emailing greeting cards as well to those who requested an emailed greeting card. I also have to do some other errands. I know right now I can't think of it. Right now, while I'm taking these out, but you will see what I'm doing today. So get that information to me so I can send you a greeting card. And I will be checking back with you later, because after this braiding and banding and my hair is mostly dry, I have to start my retightening process. Yes, I am retightening my own hair this time. I will see you later. Well, this one is in the cashing in mood these days. So we've been running some errands this morning. Now, I've told you that I am the go-to person. So when something happens in the family, I'm the one that gets the call. I want you to know we've had an update on my brother. And he did have a heart attack, but he is recovering right now. He's doing well. So he may be coming to my house in a few days because he lives alone, and I will not have him alone. Yeah, we have to take care of him. We have to take care of him. My husband and I are out running some errands, gonna pick up the greeting cards that I had printed at Walmart. We will be running out to the post office, just doing a lot of things. I may or may not record those things, but I will be with you, and thank you for all that you do for this channel. Just thank you very much. And I thank God for all of you. All right, where am I? It's a little over 50 degrees. I have on a sweater and my denim jacket, and I'm still chilly. Now, my husband is not dressed as though this is the kind of weather that I'm in. I will show you what he's wearing when I get in the car. I'm going into the UPS store to return an Amazon package because apparently my husband thought his waist was bigger than it really is, and also I thought he was shorter than he really is.
Hallelujah, I found it. Oh, then I lost it. Never buy a Dollar Tree tape.
Okay, I'm going to play a song that I've been practicing. You tell me in the comments what this song is. I'm going to do my best, okay? Just listen. I'm not going to tell you how many times I started over